praised by God. One song, one truth. Today we're looking at Psalm 51, again from the LMS hymnal. Sauni yel pesefo wotoetu ma Yesu. Prepare a new song. Jesus has risen. We'll take a quick listen to the song now.
Sauni yel pesefo wotoetu ma Yesu. Uamalo ile tunga mauele toe maliuia. Uamoli mawaila ila tona vavai. Oia uasoifua mai mafeilo Uamoli mawaila ila tona vavai. Oia uasoifua mai mafeilo
The reference verse the early missionaries used for this song comes from the book of Acts chapter 10 verse 40. Oia na tue fatuina leatua iliasutolu. He, meaning Christ, was raised by God on the third day. Now Peter, who spoke these words, went on to say that Jesus showed himself to eyewitnesses that were chosen by God. Now this claim, among many other such claims, is a very important one, because it tells us that Jesus' resurrection was a literal one, that Jesus rose again from the grave in the body. Paul said in 1 Corinthians chapter 15, and if Christ is not raised, then their teaching is useless, and so is our faith. And what's more, we are still in our sin. That means our sins have not been atoned for. So that's the truth of this song, the literal bodily resurrection of Jesus Christ. Until the next song, may God keep you and make his face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.